So let us test this. Test the given number positive or negative or 0. So header file is given, and then let us give main function inside main. This time I want to declare one variable called as n. N is a variable which I have declared of type int. I want to give this from keyboard. Let me give this from keyboard. Enter, enter n. N is some number. I want to test whether n is positive or negative or 0. So printf I have given. Printf represents your screen, that is monitor. Visual display unit also you can call it as. So on the monitor you will get a message. What is the message? Enter n. Just by looking at that message, I type from keyboard. Keyboard representation is scanf. So scanf syntax will be first format specifier. So you are going to enter integer. For integer, format specifier is %t. And then whatever you type, it should reach some address. Which address? N address. Right? Like that. Now let us start testing. If given number is n, sorry, n is greater than, how do you test whether a given number is positive or negative or 0? If it is greater than 0, what can I write? Printf number is, given number is what? Positive. Number is positive. If, tell me, if n is, what is the next step? Less than 0. If n is less than 0, what is going to happen? Printf the given number is negative. Number is negative. Number is negative. There is one more chance, 0. If, how to write that? N single is equal to or double is equal to? Double is equal to, right? You are comparing already in M something I type that is compared with 0. If really 0, then I will display this message. Printer 0. 0 is the message which I display, right? Like this. Oh, I displayed bracket. Right. Then get ch. Like this. Let's save this. F2.c. Right. Now from keyboard, first thing is enter n. It will show you, it will ask you. I will go with that. Say 9 I am typing. I type 9 from keyboard. Just by seeing that message, enter n, that is given in printf statement. So I have to type something from keyboard. 9. 9 will be reaching the memory of address of n. Its format specifier is d because n is integer. So it is resulting in number is positive. Fine, it is working. How it is tested? Try to understand. First, I type a 9 from keyboard here. If I type 9 from keyboard, the first if condition is tested. If n is greater than 0, true or false? N is 9, 9 is greater than 0, absolutely true. True means get inside. But braces are not given. Why? Why braces are not given? Means how many statements are there inside if condition? Right. So if I want to provide 2 statements or 3 statements, then I would have given braces like this. Is it not? You can give like that also, no problem. Okay, I'll give like that. So after displaying this, I want to type something in the new line, next line. That is nothing but n to n value I want to type. N is equal to %d n. Got it? So braces are mandatory because 2 statements are there, right? Similarly, so first this is tested. True, as you said, I typed 9. 9 is greater than 0. Condition is true. So gates will be opened and these two statements will be executed. What is the output? Number is positive. In the next line, n is equal to, I mean number, given number is, you can type whatever you want in double quotes. So sorry, single quote, not double quote. Given number is, or n is equal to whatever you want to write it. No problem. N is equal to percentage d means n means 9. That's all. Let me run it again. I am typing again 9. Number is positive. N is equal to 9. True. Right. This time I may type minus 9. So that what will happen? First condition, true or false? Minus 9 I have typed from keyboard, for example. What is going to happen? If n is greater than 0, true or false? False, na? False. False means no need to get inside. No need to execute these two lines. Take the next statement. Even in the previous program also, even you have given 9, first condition is true. You executed these two lines of code, even though next condition is tested. But next condition, what is happening? Tell me. I have given 9. You got output like this. You got output as number is positive. N equals 9. After that, again, it will test this also. N is less than 0. Is it true? 9 is less than 0. Is it true? False. No need to get inside. Unnecessarily, it will test other conditions also. Next condition, if n is equal to 0, is it true? I have gone with 9. True or false? 9 is equal to 0. False. No need to do this also. But unnecessarily it is testing, na? Waste. Performance is not good. So once you got something correct, you have to display that. Why the hell we have to go for the next one? No chance. No, not really required. But in this code, it will try with the next conditions also. Okay. This time I'll go with minus 9. What is going to happen? First condition will fail. Minus 9 is greater than 0. False. No need to run these steps. It skips that. It goes to this statement. Here, true or false? True means what is the output? Number is negative. But I want to give two statements. I can put braces like this. And here I want to add one more, like printf percentage d and value. And here also let me put slash. So let us check this. Minus 9 I am going to give. Oh, error, what? Oh, brace missing. What is the problem? Opening is there. Where is closing for that? Because two statements are there inside that. Now it will run. Enter n minus 9. Got it? Number is negative, n equals minus 9. Okay, this time I'll go with 0. Even after testing minus 9 is true in this case, second if condition, middle if condition, I mean, even though afterwards again this will be also tested, but it is going to fail anyway. That's it. Now I'll go with 0 option. What is going to happen? I'm going to type 0 this time. First condition, success or failure? Fail. So need not get inside. Second one, fail. So go to the third one. Third one, what is given? N is equal to 0. True or false? True. True means you are going to print 0. But I want to go with the two statements. Let me put braces. Let me put braces for that. One more printer. I will put here. Of course, I don't want, I'm not interested to put two statements because already meaning is there. We are saying 0. That is enough, good enough. So you'll get output as 0. If I go with 0. Oh, error again. Oh, sorry. I had to close it. And zero. Zero. Got it? That is the way to answer this. Simple if condition we have worked on. And sticking. We started 5 minutes late, but I had another class after this. Shall I close with this for today? You can practice with if. Tomorrow we will see if else. Hmm? Tomorrow we will see if else. Uh, Today we have seen only if condition. Typecasting, I will send notes to you right now. Typecasting, I will send you. Type conversion, I mean both explicit and implicit type conversion, I will send you. Once I complete if condition, if else, in the next class, I will complete if else and nested if also. Then if else if, and nested if. Then I will send you notes for decision making instructions. Okay. Any doubts in this if condition? Syntax is very simple. If within brackets, put a condition. If true, execute the set of statements. If false, go to the next if condition or something like that. Don't execute if false. That is about that.